Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel. If you guys are watching this live or you guys are watching this on the recording, obviously on our YouTube channel, what we want to do is, just give you guys a little bit of introduction of Cash FX. So Cash FX is the newest platform that's on the planet right now. It's hot, like, right off the iron. And as you know, the saying is, right, you got to strike while the iron is hot. This is like a ground floor opportunity with an opportunity to way to grow and multiply your Bitcoin or your funds or your capital. My name is Leonard Williams. Just to kind of give you guys a little bit of background for those who've been on my YouTube channels or kind of saw some of my videos on Facebook as well. So I've been in the corporate management world for about 28 years. Got an MBA in finance. You can see my degrees in the background. So I know a lot about investing. I know a lot about multiple streams of income and how to just make your money grow, both the financial market. You got the stock market, but also as Forex, as a Forex trader, it's always an opportunity to grow your money. And nowadays, it's really about how to find opportunities to where you can make your money, your hard-earned money, to make it work harder for you, basically how to double your money. And that's me in a nutshell. And I got my buddy Chidinad. I'll let him introduce himself.
All right, Leonard, thank you for the brief introduction there, my friend. My resume is a bit shorter than Leonard. Leonard has been in this industry way, way longer than I am. I'm going back about 7 years now in this industry. Amazing. My background is basically in telecommunications. I work in everything telecommunications. I got involved in this business, like I said, 7 years ago. And I tell you, man, I love this business. I love this industry. I love connecting, like how Leonard and I meet. It's amazing through opportunities and business ventures. And like I said, I couldn't, it's something that I love to do. It's not a hobby, it's a business. I don't look at this as a job, or it's something I love to. I'm very passionate about what I do when it comes to this business. Right. And what I want to say is that I've learned a lot from Leonard. He's my friend for the past years. We hooked up, but we've been good friends now for the past year. We've been for longer than that, but now we've been more working together more closely. So we both got into this opportunity called Cash FX. Like you just heard, Leonard said, it's hot. It's very hot. It's blowing up like crazy, and it's an amazing opportunity. We saw this opportunity. We saw who's behind it, and we decided to jump in on both feet and take massive action. And today we'll go over a quick some information, share with you guys about the company, just share a little overview, and and we'll take it from there. So with that being said, about myself again, guys, going back into this industry, and I spent 7 years not knowing anything about marketing, and coming and know marketing today, and follow some guys like Leonard and learn from these guys. These guys have been in the game way longer than I do. It's amazing time. So with that being said, Leonard, I'm gonna kick it back to you so you can share your screen and go over the PowerPoint.
Yeah, man, absolutely. So let me go ahead and put up the website, guys. This is the Cash FX website. It's actually Cash FX Group. So if you actually go to the website here and look at cashfxgroup.com, this is where you guys will actually see where you guys can get to the main website. But you can also click on our link at the bottom of our screen here on YouTube channels. If you want to click on our link, you'll actually get taken to the website. This is not any way to entice you guys to get you guys to sign up. We got a lot of people who are following us. We got a lot of people who are signing up. So this is not trying to entice you. This video session is not going to be a long video, guys. We're not going to go through the ins and the details to bore you guys. I know you guys don't have a lot of time to spend time watching videos all night. You guys are looking to find out what is Cash FX is all about. Is it real? Is it legitimate? Is it transparent? Is it a scam? Is it a Ponzi scheme? Hey, we're here, guys, to just provide you our experience, and we'll kind of be like the guinea pig for you guys. We're actually going to give you guys our example of our experience, and we're actually going to give you guys a week-by-week example. And this is actually considered week 0 for us because we actually just funded our account. So we'll show you a little bit more about that in a minute. But we're going to actually give you guys a video each week. And if you're watching this and you're coming back because you saw a week 3 video, a week 4 video, and you're watching this later on, you're watching week 0, this is it right here. And if you guys are watching this for the first time, continue to watch each week. We're going to be providing updates, guys, every Sunday of how our account is going, how the transaction is going, how our withdrawal is going, how our growth is going. So you guys can really see and get a real life example of what this company is really about. And then you guys make an educated decision if you want to join and be a part of CashFX to continue to grow your money. You can join one of our teams and we'll be more than happy to help you. But before we get started, guys, we just got to give you guys a little disclaimer because it's important for us to let you know, guys, we're not here to entice you or promise you returns or give you any guarantees. So I'm gonna let Chid give you guys the disclaimer there.
All right, guys, like Leonard just mentioned, the disclaimer is very important when it comes to any of this, trading, Forex, cryptocurrency is very, very important. So I gotta read you guys a disclaimer. So, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. So please do your own research. In any company, it doesn't matter how good they are, who's behind it, who owns it, please do your own research. And there are no guarantees involved. And they're always going to be high risk. And these are already, we're talking about the Forex, we're talking about the crypto. So only invest funds that you can afford to lose. I'm going to say this again, only invest funds that you afford to lose. Nothing is guaranteed. I'm going to say this, I usually say this on most of my YouTube videos. Do not, and I'm going to say this again with very, very vocal. Do not invest your rent money, your mortgage, your car payment, your child education, school, any of those.
Your grocery bills, your baby's formula, your diaper bills. Don't do it, folks. You don't need to. You don't need to.
Anything to manage your house financial, please. Only put funds that you can afford to lose, guys. Like
there you go.
You have some money that you can spend, and don't think, okay, if I lose this, I'm gonna cry over it. So it's very important. Okay, guys. Yeah. With that being said, I'm handing back over to Leonard.
All right, guys. Yeah, hey, so guys, this is not any type of formal presentation. Chid and I are two good buddies. In fact, Chid brought this opportunity to me earlier this week, right? So I'm in a couple of investment companies. You guys can look me up later, and we'd be more than happy to. Both me and Chid are partners in a lot of different platforms and companies. And trust me, guys, we've been scammed before, and it's not fun to be scammed. It's not fun at all, and I know you guys are not being. It's not fun for you guys. If you guys are looking at CashFX, if you guys are going to be losing your money, just one of those cash scheme, and who in the hell is Leonard and Chid? These two guys, right? No, hey guys, we're just two, Americans are working hard, trying to provide for our families, our loved ones, and try to get an opportunity to grow our capital and our funds in the most legitimate and compliant, consistent way. So, guys. We're not financial advisors, to Chid's point, and do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. And if you got a little money, if you can afford to lose it, why not try something based on our video? And more important, like Chid said, do your own due diligence. Please look it up. Don't look at our video. Look at multiple videos, and then come back. And you guys want to join us because we're two guys that give you no nonsense, bull crap, no hype, and straight up with you guys. Hey. Come on in, and we'll get you guys started. So
we are bringing full transparency to you guys, and that's one thing I live by. Who's behind certain company? The reason why you see our face and camera here, and I want you guys to know that companies that we're involved in, like Leonard just mentioned, we've been scammed a lot in quite a few companies within the past years. People we're involved in, we took losses. And it's no joke to lose money when you're in these investment company. And we learn as time goes on. We learn and we pay for those that are our mistakes, and to who we associate ourselves with. But this particular platform, I could say that the people behind this platform are people who are genuine people who's been in the industry for over 20 years plus, and have a reputable name in the industry. Right. Have a huge digital platform following. Right. So it's not like somebody who wasn't around. These guys were had a digital platform before CashFX.
Right.
CashFX came after, but they were very out there. Were in social media world. People know who they are.
Right.
So
Chid, talk a little bit about how you got presented this opportunity, because we got our video, guys. We got our videos on our YouTube channel. You guys can look at the other videos prior to this, because we posted our recording of the founders and the other individual in the video, so you guys can hear exactly from the owner themselves. We're not going to do it on this video, but check the other video that's on our YouTube channel. You guys can see there's another 45 to an hour video of the owner himself. but also Chid, I think the other guy that you know more of than I do.
Well, there is Justin
Ron Pope?
Holiday, Ron Pope. Ron Pope is the guy who owns this company called the Conversion Pro. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with Conversion Pro. It's a marketing tool I use to leverage any business that you want to market online, like OSP, Power Lead System, or My Lead System. This is the Conversion Pro that he runs, and you know, he has he has it's a huge company because he's been around for over 5 years now, and he's been a lot of big marketers, companies have used this use the Conversion Pro. You can look up the Conversion Pro. You can Google it. You can look up Ron Pope. He's on social media. You know, he's the guy that brought this to us, that introduced us to the owner of CashFX, which is one of the owner of CashFX, a founder, is called Oscar Lopez. That Oscar Lopez and Ron they have history together. They have done business in the past. They have worked together. So you know, as time passes on, they separated for a little while because of different projects. Now they come back together because Ron sees the opportunity with this particular platform, CashFX. I wanted to bring this into the marketplace and introduce this to one of my good friends, which is Justin Holiday. Justin Holiday is also a big time marketer in the space. So Justin introduced me to this, and next thing you know, here I am. I did my research before I jump into this program, guys. So like you said,
there you go. Now, what I understand from the video, watching the video, guys, go back and watch that video. Me and Chid's going to talk about it openly about this video. So when I watched the video, and I'm like, whoa. First of all, guys, when you see these platforms, these companies pop up, and there's a lot of them out there, guys. You guys just got to be careful. Some of them are really good, and some of them are really, really bad, and some of them are okay, right? So we're not sure where this is going to go at, but we did our due diligence based on the contact we know and we talked to, and we did our due diligence, and he knows Ron Pope. I know Chid. You got to think about it. When you guys join something like this, just through contact and relationship to see, you know, where these companies coming from, because you never know, right? So they're not all scams, I got to tell you guys, but they're not, you know, they're not all legitimate either. So you got to make sure, and sometimes they're hit and misses, right? And the thing is, guys, you can't just quit and give up. You got to try an opportunity. There's going to be one or two that's going to pop up and it's going to be a home run. Could this be it? I think so, though. I think so, guys. And I'll share with you guys what we're talking about, and based on what we've seen. And you can watch the video again of the owners, and you guys will hear it from Ron Pope. What is Ron Pope doing for Oscar Lopez? I think that's the owner, right? Oscar Lopez.
Oscar Lopez, yes.
So what's the relationship between the two? Because I know Ron Pope is not part of corporate for CashFX. So what is he doing?
Ron Pope, I think, handles the financial part of it, does the marketing stuff, you know, get the word out there for the company.
Okay.
And again,
he did the whole back office for CashFX too, right? Yeah. The whole system platform. Okay. All right. Yeah. That makes sense, guys. And if you guys can see it, Ron Pope he's already a successful entrepreneur and business owner of the Conversion Pros, and they already have connection to a lot of different marketing companies that uses Conversion Pro for their business, right? So Ron Pope has done a lot of infrastructure and architecture setup for them. And I got to tell you guys that Ron Pope wouldn't put his name on the line for Oscar Lopez, who apparently they have a good working relationship through previous business deals. That's a big deal for me and Chidinad when we think about who the owner is. And that's one of our criteria. Who's the owner? You know, how long have they been in business? Obviously, this is new. Is the owner transparent? And then the process. And we'll kind of walk you through the process. Right? Is that cool, Chid?
Yes, but what I want once when you watch the video that's in either my channel, Leonard channel, you're gonna see that video. It says that Ron says, I wouldn't put my name on something that I know wasn't gonna be legit.
I agree. So guys, this is the website. It's really simple. If you look at the website, not a lot of information. It talks about the 4 steps here: register, verify, fund. You know, if you guys you put
about a second. The company is still in beta testing, so there will be a lot of changes made between the next couple of weeks because they're still updating a lot of new stuff coming along. So you're going to see a lot of changes made within the website.
Oh, that's a good point. When did they start it? Like mid-July around?
Mid-July is there. That's when the actual launch. So they're making quite a few changes. Sometimes you might see the site may go off for a while.
Okay.
They notify everybody when they're making changes.
Hey, that's a big deal, guys. If you guys are anything around online marketing or want to be part of something, I got to tell you guys, anything that's ground level, but through due diligence, right? Due diligence. You guys want to make sure this may be a right opportunity to get in at a ground level floor. Pre-launch is really, really good. Don't have to put a lot of money in, and we'll show you guys in a minute what that means. And then you guys can lock in your spot because there's a compensation plan that's for you, even if you don't recruit, which is phenomenal. I love it when they do that. So we'll talk a little bit more about that. But here, the website, guys, it's really simple. You don't see a lot of information about the owner here. They talked about the broker. The trading Forex, guys. Let me just make that clear. It's Forex. This is not crypto trading. This is Forex trading. But they're using crypto for the transactions, right? So Bitcoin in, Bitcoin out, right? What else? So they're going to have like an academy or somewhere you can learn how to trade.
When you signed up with the company, you're getting a service, right? You're getting an educational service. So 30% of your investment goes to that educational package service, and the 70% goes to investments. But you're not just buying a package because the package sake. You are getting you're getting a product of education. You're getting something to show you in trading. If you want to become, you don't know anything about Forex trading, you will learn about Forex trading as well in this platform.
Okay.
That's one education that they're teaching you here as well.
Okay. All right. Good. I'm gonna click on the plan, guys. You can see what the plans they have. Chid, you want to talk about the plans? They got quite a few packs, folks. You know, a lot of these platforms, just to give you guys level, they kind of look the same, right? So don't be alarmed if it looks kind of scamish because they got set packs. Just the way the platform looks, guys. I'm just going to share with you guys. It is what it looked like. Again, do your due diligence, right?
Well, let me just say this. Let me just say this to you guys. Oscar Lopez, you know, his information is not fully on the website, but the guy's out there doing a lot of interview, putting himself out there, talking about the company, his vision. So he's putting himself out there as it is. That alone is branding. He's putting himself in public, you know, talking about the product and service and the vision of the company.
Yep,
right?
I agree.
That right there says a lot about the company. So we know who the owners are, who's behind it.
There you
so
go.
Again, the website may look a little bit like a lot of familiar sites you have seen in the past or currently seen, because I've seen a lot of websites with the same plan structure, right? But one thing they don't have is who owns the company, who's behind it, what's the vision, are they really trading, or it's a hype or Ponzi, right? That I don't know, because that information was never brought forward. I've joined companies with something similar to this. At the end of the day, you know what? I lost because I don't know who it was. They weren't doing real trading. They were just taking money from Paul to pay Peter. So that's how, and put this package presentation like the way it is you see on the screen right now.
Yeah.
But what I want to say, guys, is again, it's the people behind this, and I'm talking with very passionate and very vocal, and you know, the people behind this is because they put the structure. You know, they back everything that they say they're going to do here. And again, I'm talking from what the owners are saying, right? And these are their words. That's how I'm interpreting this to you. So if you come in, the lowest package level is $300. That's the price to come in. Is what you call the so coming out $300, $90 goes to the Academy pack. Like I mentioned to you, you're getting a product, an educational product. $150 goes to your trading package, media trading, which means if you come in and you're going to be trading, you're going to be this money will go into. If you don't want to build a business, just come in as a bear. This money will come. They will trade this money for you. Average between 2.5 to 3%. I mean, it's not fixed. Every day is different. So this here will go into into your trading pool, and you earn that percentage every single day. Every package has similar, depends on what package you come in. The least is 300, the highest goes up to 100,000. You know, and you get to see, and you will get all your educational training when it comes to Forex, understand what Forex is. So right. It goes up to, I think it was 100K, yes. 100K.
Yep, 100K. So let me ask you, Chid, and I wanted to make sure I was clear, and this is for our viewers here. So if, for instance, if I come in at the $500 and you're saying 150 of that, which is 30% of 500, $150 goes into the matrix, right?
The matrix.
So the referral matrix for this is a MLM, guys. This is a referral, and it is what it is. But again, it's optional. You don't have to refer others. You can come in, you can earn passively, and we'll show you guys a little bit what that is. But 30% of your 500 goes into what they call the comp plan. So basically, if you think about it, guys, this comp plan is not being funded out of thin air. This is actually coming out of people's deposits. So people deposits are funding. So that makes it sustainable, right? You got to think about it. It's not coming out of anybody's, pocket. It is actually coming in from your deposit to fund the account. But here's the thing, and I want to make sure I'm clear. The $350 of this $500 packet, for example, now goes into the broker account to trade, right? So it's trading for you. But here's the key, and I want to make sure it should confirm with me. But you will earn your return not based on the 350, but it would be based on the 500, as if your total 500 deposit.
Package, yes.
There you go. So you got to think about it, guys. So $500 you deposit, 150 funds the, supplies the matrix for people who brought you in, right? Who introduced you. It's only fair for them to earn a commission. And then 350 of that goes into your trading pool, but you're going to earn a return not on the 350. You're going to earn a return off the 500, even though 30% of it is actually not deposited into the trading account. That's awesome.
That is.
That's awesome. So guys, so basically, in a nutshell, this is actually going to 2 times. The contract is double your money. So they basically 2 times the money. So 500 is going to be 1,000. 1,000 is going to be 2,000. 2,000 is going to be 4,000. And it will continue to pay out Monday through Friday. That's when the Forex market opens, right? Not on Saturday and Sunday, guys. And you will earn till the contract is in. And the contract ends when you double your funds. And we'll show you how it's double. But I just want you guys to know from a simplistic standpoint, from what we understand, and we'll clarify from more videos as we continue to go on. If we make an error, folks, don't hang us. We're learning this as we go. We got as much as information, clarifying information enough for us to jump in, right? So I think it's
well.
Yeah. So we just want to share with you guys what we know. And to Chid's point earlier, he's really passionate about this because this company is actually trying to be transparent as much as possible. The owners out there, like Chid say, he put himself out there. The leaders are out there. They're on the YouTube channel, YouTube videos. They're on our YouTube channels. Go watch it, guys. He's out there. They're transparent. So that's one thing. And the companies continue to be more transparent. And we'll show you what that means.
Yes, they're out there, and that's the one thing I look at nowadays. Because Leonard and I, again, we mentioned before, we've been in companies and we have learned from our mistakes, not doing our due diligence when it comes to this business. What I can tell you with these guys, as I go through the Facebook group, there's constantly people joining this group every single day. Like Tuesday coming up, we have a live trading. You could watch the trader trades. And they will have a web TV coming out too soon, guys. So web TV will be there. You can go click on that and see how your money is being earned.
Well, let's talk about it a little bit. So I know who Oscar Lopez, the owner, talked about it on one of the videos, guys. Look at that. I know he was saying that they're going to have a web TV. This is actually their traders going in, showing the trades that they did and teach you how to trade or something like that, right?
They'll teach you how to trade. Also, you're going to see how they're leveraging the market to make funds, how they're leveraging your market, how your money is being invested.
Okay.
So you're getting a real-time trade as well. They're doing this on the web TV.
Hey guys, go ahead and jot this down. Zoom.us/mycast/CashFX. You guys look at it, join in. You don't have to be a member to actually join in on this Zoom call. Obviously, it's there.
Yeah, if you're watching this video on our YouTube, message us first so we know if you want to join. So we will add you to the group. We'll know who let you into the group. So the group is for anybody new to check it out. Before you want to go, reach out to myself and Leonard on our Facebook page or comment below this YouTube video here, and we will we'll add you to the group. And then Justin Holiday is the guy admin. we'll just accept you to the group, guys. People are joining. Like today, there's a handful of people joining today alone. Today, every single day, there are people coming into this group.
I'm telling you, ground floor breaking, folks. Ground floor.
I want to say this: the early you come in, guys, and like Leonard's going to go over this a little bit more. The matrix, that's another thing. The faster you come in, it's better you're going to actually gain on the matrix. So.
Yep. I'll go over that in a minute, guys. The Facebook group is growing. I remember when I first joined, it was like barely 200 people in there. Where we at 504 members, folks. Woo! That's like in a week. So
1 week.
Yeah, 1 week, bro. So when I first got in, it was like barely over 200. Now it's 504. That thing is growing fast. So by the time you guys join, if you see when you guys get in, it's going to be probably 1,000. Could be. This thing. Look at Ted. There he is. He's part of the 1,000 club. So, folks, this is ground zero for us. We actually just funded our account like yesterday. And right now, today is Sunday, as of August
Fourth.
The 4th. And folks, this is week 0, and we're going to give you guys week by week update on how our account is doing, so you guys can see. You guys don't have to jump in right away. You guys can see how our account's going, so we can give you guys real life example. So we're in here, and then I got in here. Look at here I am. So Ched recognized me. Hey, because I told Ched he's going to have to upgrade right away because he's already getting some commission. He got some folks in, and we're growing, folks. So join in and get with us, and let us help you so that we can make sure you guys getting all the information and somebody can hold your hand. So they got a really good ecosystem here with the Facebook group to give you a lot of support. They got an FAQ and everything on here, guys. We're ready to help you and get you set up.
I want to say one thing that Justin is the guy has been make sure that everybody been keeping up to date with everything's happening, latest happening. So he's the guy that posts updates, status, what's happening, when it's payday, what they may expect pay. So far, everybody got paid out this for the past weeks on time. When they got paid, there was no delay. Some people report within a couple of minutes, money hit their wallets. So I'm like, wow, it's amazing. So they're not, it's your money, and you're going to get your money out as soon as possible. Like we always says, in any investment you make sure that you take out your seed money and then work in house money. It's very important.
That's true, folks. When you're dealing with these type of platforms, until it's been proven, right? So anytime that ground floor new opportunity just came out, it looked like this is one of those rumor mills, and it's just one of those fly-by-nights company. And I get it, folks. This is an opportunity, though, based relationship. Reach out to us. We'll provide more information. We're going to put our Facebook link on there as well. You can message us on Facebook. Let us help you. Let us give you more information so that you guys can get a little bit more comfortable and start in small. We're not telling you to go in and be like me and Ched. You don't need to put thousands in there. Just put a little 300, let that thing double, and then you can decide to upgrade if you want from there.
You know what's funny? It's funny that you said that. Some people came in at 300, and within the 2 weeks alone, they're already up in 1,000.
Oh yeah, they have upgraded right away. So
people upgraded because of people that's coming in and they earn their commission as well. They upgraded right away. So that 300 can actually throw you all the way up to the 100,000, 100K.
Yep.
Work your way up.
Yep. So folks, we're not going to show you our back office right away because we don't want to get out of compliance because we got names and sensitive names in there. But what we will do is provide you like a screenshot of the earnings per day and what our account was at the end. We're actually going to test the withdrawals. We'll show you that I withdraw this amount and it hit my wallet this amount. We'll show you that. We'll be transparent as much as possible because we want you guys to be informed and use this video as one of your due diligence, right? You probably stumbled on this after a couple of videos, or this might be the first video, and you may want to come back. We're just going to give you guys some information just so that you guys can be aware of it. So that's from two natural guys that are just going to give you guys some information. No matter where you're watching this around the world, reach out to us on Facebook, click on the link, and then we'll help you guys out. Me and Chid's on the same team. We're going to be blowing this up, whether you join or not. It's not relevant. What's relevant for us is that we be fully transparent to give you guys information so that you guys can get the correct information. Just a presentation. It's pretty good, guys. And Oscar Lopez is on the video and on our YouTube channel. Go through this video. But what we want to do is show you guys they'll go a little bit for the background. Go ahead.
Scroll on one little bit. Okay, this page here says here the financial conduct FCA. See this over here? Read this paragraph here at the bottom. We are a decentralized company, and this is something I also looked at. Looks at financial. It's the FAC of London and Dubai, right? So basically, I think these companies has been verified through this company as well, because FCA, FAC, these are companies that audit these audit companies. So they have to pass certain structure before they actually get verified to this company. And they've been regulated, as you can see there.
Right, so they're a decentralized company, and right here, the brokers that we use, they have several brokers. I think Oscar Lopez mentioned that in the group. So they're not trading their account out of their own Excel sheet account, folks. They're dealing with brokers, real trading. We're going to be watching the video next week on Tuesday, or this Tuesday, to see the real life trading. They're going to be doing some more transparency and exposing the FX books or something like that I heard, and I'm really excited about that, because compliance means more than anything, and transparency can be a lot, and Chid, for us to make sure that we see in a lot of transparency so that we feel safe about our money. So that's a good point. Thank you for pointing that out, Chid. These are regulated, but these brokers are regulated, which is great.
Right. Your money is not going into a pool of somebody crypto wallets, and hopefully something's going to happen there. No, it's going into an actual broker account.
Right. So it's here, just tells you, what is Forex, just in case you don't know what Forex. If you don't know what cryptocurrency, guys, you need to watch another video and then come back and learn about what Bitcoin is. So the Academy, guys, so this we talked about every time you deposit or you sign up to a form, right? You sign up to the Trading Academy, and then you have the different packages, the Elemental package, the Supreme package, and then all the way up to $100,000 for the Advanced package. Okay. So
right. So the package educates you about the Forex market.
Yep. Okay.
That's what you're learning. You learn about the Forex. So if you don't know anything about Forex, you get education here. You're educating yourself as well. So you earn and you learn at the same time. You're earning and you're learning about what the Forex can do for you, how you can make it. And at some point, you become good at Forex trading. You may want to try it yourself and start trading on your own.
That's a good clarification. So right here, it says you can start with learning programs and enjoy your multiple benefits of the program. So you're going to be learning and earning as you learn, right? This talks about how they operate, Cash FX, right? 5% of the world traders are the only ones successful. And I got to tell you guys, it is hard to be one of the top 5% to be successful. Me and Chid been trading over several years, and yes, folks, it's not easy to trade. And we've been profitable, but we're probably like in that nick of that 5% because I've blown some accounts, and they're easy.
And especially if you have a full-time job and you got to trade, it's hard to concentrate. So this takes away. It's not that I love trading, but this takes away that headache from me.
Yeah.
Sitting in front of my computer trading.
Yeah. This gives you guys a passive way to earn. Do you have to download a bot, program the bot, watch the bot, do any of the trades? No. This is complete passive. It is 100% passive, but you're going to get an opportunity to learn as well, because they're going to have some trading classes, and you can see on Tuesday we're going to have that trading classes.
Which I highly recommend. You should learn, educate yourself as much in this particular niche, because it's a good skill to have.
Yep. So these are packages here. Like I said, Chid and I are in the Elemental package here. We got these two packages. We'll be upgrading. We're feeling more comfortable. We're going to be upgrading very soon. We'll share that with you guys. And then you got up to 100,000. Let's talk about the compensation plans. You got two compensation, I would say. Well, you got all kinds of compensation plans. You got the trading pool, you got the fast start, unilevel, force matrix matching, global leadership, generation match. We're not going to go through all of that right now, but I can tell you there's multiple ways if you recruit and refer others, or if you don't, right? There's ways to earn, and here's the two ways, right? If you take all of that and you break it into just two categories. The bear capital and the bull capital, and try not to confuse the bear and bull to the market conditions, because bear means you're not going to lose your money, even though it's a downturn. But just keep it as a terminology to put as a classification of a group, of the category. So you got bear capital earning, then you got the bull capital earning. The bear capital is for those who are not referral, team leaders, team builders, don't want to worry about all that MLM stuff. That's where you earned in the bear capital. And as you can see, it says 2 times. That is your original initial contract. You're going to double your return. Basically, whatever you cap, you would deposit 500 to 1,000. If it's 1,000, you're going to go with that to 2,000, and in the term of the 2 times, and then you're going to earn in that the force matrix. So you get the force matrix, and I'll show you what that means in a minute. But force matrix basically is you get to earn from everyone that gets spilled over down below you, because they're forced down of a 3x10. Once they fill out a certain level, then they go to the next level and they get forced automatically down below you. So that means it's important for you to get early in as much as possible. Anytime you hear force matrix, that means, oh my God, you got to get in, you got to lock your spot, because those who come in beyond you, and me and Chit's going to be putting a lot of people underneath you guys.
You guys come in here.
So you guys come in, we're going to be loaded a lot of people underneath you guys. So don't worry. We're going to make sure you guys get part of that force matrix, but we're not even worried about that.
Who's above us that's going to come all the way down? We're going to help you build your team.
Yep. So we'll help you guys, and you guys going to it's going to build underneath you, and you guys going to be a part of that force matrix. And what that does, it helps double your money even faster. And I'll show you a little bit more about that. You want to talk a little bit more about the bull capital, what they get in that, if they do refer the team or no?
The bull capital, basically, if you like me and Leonard wanted to build a team, it'll be perfect for you guys, because the fact that you can actually leverage this business like we're doing right now and start building a bull and earn 4 times your money, because the more people you reform into the system, the faster you can grow and get to the next level. So the bull side is more for bringing people in and have reforming them and you get a percentage, and it's a fast start bonus. So once somebody join under you, you get that commission right away. It's there. As soon as the funds clear, it hits your back office. It's there. You can withdraw it.
Yeah. And you only get how many people you have to refer? What's the minimum?
One
person, folks.
Why?
One person.
Uno.
Refer your girlfriend, your brother, your sister, someone. Put $300 in. You're going to earn that commission right away.
Right away.
4 times, folks. 4 times your money. That means 500 becomes 2,000. That means 1,000 becomes 4,000. 4 times your money, folks. You got to refer a couple people. Why not? You can. That's easy. That's really, really easy.
What I love about it is it's a hands-free system at up to 15% a week. That's up to 60% a month, right? It's amazing, because when I trade the market on my own, I get 20% a month, 30%. I'm happy with that, right? But this is going up to 60% a month. I'm like, and this is hands-free. This is me just not even doing anything at all, physically trading, going to my MT4, taking trades, look at my computer, looking up charts and look at the Forex factory news to see what's going to happen.
Yeah.
This takes that away. Yes, trading is fun. But it's fun when you're there, when you don't have to work and then come home and then look at this.
Yeah.
You
don't have to worry about charts. Passive as much as possible. It's easy. It's really, really easy, and it's more fun because you can have your money working for you and have other people trading for you. It's a lot better. One of the things I want to confirm with Chid, I think pre-launch, I think the unit level, all levels are open to you guys, right? All the levels are open to you guys. After they go to official launch, I think they're going to official launch sometime next month. Officially launch, I think then it depends on what level you buy into. I think the level will be restricted to the number of earnings. Yeah. So if you get in right now, pre-launch folks, guys, right now, anytime now before launch, go under the link, you're going to have all the unit level open to you guys at multiple levels. So if you bring in one person, you only bring in one person, they go crazy, you get to earn ultimate all the levels there on the unit level because of pre-launch. That's the special that they got going on right now.
So this thing is wide open at the moment. So you have the time to come in right now. Once they go official launch, half of this is gonna go away.
Right. Okay. Just as a Ford matrix, guys, 3x10. That means if, like, say, for instance, Chid sponsors me and he gets 2 people, that first level is already full. So he gets more level. It doesn't stay on the first level. That fourth person goes to the next person below him. And not only that, the person that sponsored him, brought him in, that person is already had shit level already full. So that also falls under you. So you get, and anyone else above you actually falls in underneath you. It easily gets full real fast. That's why these post metrics is crazy.
Let me say this though, and this is gonna entice you guys, right? Because who I came in under, it's one of the top leader in the company. So he's out there, and we are under him as well. So we are here building our team. You're even gonna gain faster because he is not. He's also filling up his matrix, right? So
quick.
he is here. We are here working. So you're under a really good solid team. This team is growing so fast. Like I just showed you the group, right? It's growing fast. So you guys have an opportunity. I'm not saying not to do anything. The more you do is better. But but if you don't, it's fine. But we're actually gonna get that spillover gonna come under you because you're under some people who is leveraging the system and working the system for you guys.
Right. So then the force matrix is actually it's capped at a certain level. That is capped at a level. The unilevel direct commission is unilevel is unlimited right now during pre-launch, but the force metric is capped at a certain level depending on what pack you bought. So if you came in at the 300 and 500 pack, then you get levels 1 through 3 spillover locked in from a matrix, force matrix payout. If you come in at a 500, then you get the level 4. I know it says in Spanish right now because this is actually a Spanish converted presentation into English. We'll get the
working in English to get over, yes.
So it's a work in progress. We're in pre-launch, guys. That's what you expect, right? So when you see Bociones, that's personal.
Yes.
Hey, Chid knows Spanish. I'm trying to learn it myself. But just look, the level means level 4, level 5, level 6, all the way up to 10 levels. And then I know level 4 is the 1,000 pack you can see here. I came in at 2,000 pack. That means I get 5 levels below me earnings of force matrix. That's going to help double my money even faster.
But folks, we are looking to build this all the way up to the top. So that's our vision. That's our goal.
Yeah, we want to help as many people as we can. If we can bring you in and get you under us, we're going to give you a lot of spillover, guys. We want you to double your money faster too. So that's what we're all about. We're all about trying to find a really good platform, a really good company so that we can help a lot of people, change a lot of people's lives. And I think this is pretty good company based on looking at the videos. And guys, I'm not trying to hype this, but just look at the video with the owner and you guys make your own conclusion. If you already have and you guys are watching our video and you guys are liking this cute, handsome guys, hey, we'll bring us on and we'll help you build globally.
Well, added to the group as well, there's so much testimony already in the group, so much real activities, the real testimony. None of these people are being paid. I'm a testimony. You see my picture in the group as well. So it's all 100% transparent. And
that's it, guys. That's basically the presentation right there. It's you get the leadership bonus. There's so many bonuses once you refer, but if you don't, double your money is actually good enough. You don't need anything more of that. I actually developed a spreadsheet real quick. Let me show you guys a spreadsheet so you guys can see what that kind of looked like.
Before you go on with this, just quick. I just want to mention this, guys. This is a quick overview. Like Leonard mentioned, every week we'll do a video. So as we learn and grow more into the business and the opportunity and everything else, you will learn from us and get more. We'll give you full details every week as we go by and share these videos weekly.
Yeah. And guys, if you guys want to copy this spreadsheet, just message me and share. We pass this on to our team. We develop tools like this to help people kind of figure out and make some determination, guys. That's what we do. Like I said, I have a lot of education and come up with spreadsheets. That's what I did for all my life and all my corporate career life. So I come up with something like this fast, and it's helped me kind of easier determine what that looked like. So let me show you guys real quick. If you guys were to come in at $500, for instance, and you guys are
maybe let's do the 300 because more people might want to go. Let's do 300.
300?
Yeah, let's go with just the basic.
Okay, 300, folks. So 300, we're talking about 12%, right? Not factoring the force matrix. Okay, so just a kind of couple of nuances I do want to point out to you guys who are watching this to the end of the video. There is a couple of things here. You can get all of your money back. Well, you can't get your initial deposit back, but if you pull or request your money back before the end of the contract term, meaning before you're able to double your money, there is a penalty fee that you have to, pay out, or you have to be understanding under the terms of and condition. If you put 1,000 in, 30% penalty fee before you double your money will be assessed when you withdraw your money. So that means if you put in $1,300 out of it, you're only going to get $700 back. So just be aware of that.
That's all. That's already mentioned from the website. You can look it up when you because even they mentioned it in the videos. It'll make everyone be sure that they're clear on that. So if you want to take your money out, you have to pay the 30%.
Yeah. So it's not like you put your money in, you lost it. You just got to understand, when you put your money in, 30% actually went into the matrix. So they already paid everyone out. So they're not going to take that back because you've already committed to it, right? So, but you will be able to get 70% of that because they got to pull it out of the broker account and then fund you back. So just be aware of that. So you're almost like better off starting off small, unless you got a little funds and you guys trust us, or you guys feel comfortable, you've done your due diligence, then go ahead and go big if you want to. If you got that much money to afford, you can risk. But just be aware of that 30% withdrawal fee if you want to withdraw your money before the end of the term, which is doubling your money or 2 times your money. The other thing is there is no monthly fees. However, there is a withdrawal fee. Yes, why not? Sustainable. If there was no withdrawal fee, there was no monthly fees, I'd be kind of concerned. So run away from those type of platforms that don't charge you a withdrawal fee and don't charge you a monthly subscription fee, because how are they getting that money, right? How are they paying people out, right? You got to think about it. So this company is being very, very, very transparent in terms of the fees. They're letting you guys know right in the terms and conditions right away. Just like Chit said, it's on the website, okay? So there is a 20% withdrawal fee. Okay, you're probably thinking, woo, 20%. So folks, you just kind of double your money. Why not pay 20%, right? Yeah, 20% out of, it's not really 100 double your money, but it's better than no money and better than no percentages. And we're going to go a little bit over the numbers real quick, but just remember that when you do withdraw, there's a 20% withdrawal fee. But here's the thing, where is this force matrix money coming from? It's actually coming from the withdrawals. So if you think about it, the 20% withdrawal fee, 10%, correct me if I'm wrong, Chid, 10% actually goes to the company, right? For them to make money, they got to pay their traders and pay everything else. And the 10% goes to the force matrix.
Which everybody gets a piece of it.
And that gets paid out when? How often?
That gets paid out twice a month. Twice
a month, folks, on the 1st and the 16th.
Right. Yep. Or I think the 15th or the 30th, twice a month.
Okay, so twice a month, guys. 1st and the 15th or 1st and 16th. We'll find out because we're new. Our next force matrix payout will be the 15th or 16th. We'll know for you guys for sure. We'll let you know when we correct this video. Again, we're going to give you guys a week by week progress. But what we're saying is that you guys get a force matrix payout that actually goes into your account that helps double your money. Again, the trading are earned every day. So you get anywhere between 2 to 2.6, 2.8% Monday through Friday. That get dispersed and accessible on Saturday that you can withdraw, right? You can withdraw anytime after that. If you don't withdraw then, you can withdraw after that. You can't compound because it's based on your initial deposit. So whatever your deposit is, whatever money you came in, that's what you're going to be earning from until you get paid out. You can't get everything, right? I get it. And once you withdraw, you can withdraw that anytime after that or anytime after it gets dispersed. And I think they process withdrawal, twice a day or something like that?
Twice a day, yes.
Yeah, twice a day. So, folks, we're going to let you know how fast it takes to withdraw, and we'll give you guys an experience.
Yeah, but what I can tell you guys, from what I've seen in my other friends are posting, the withdrawal came through within hours, was there quickly. So hit the wallet a couple hours or less.
Okay, so based on the $300, folks, right here, if you you got the $300 package, the first one, and you're going to earn about 12%. This is not including the force matrix yet. And then you're going to get about $36 a week in return. That's better than $0 sitting in your bank account, $0 sitting underneath your pillow, $0 sitting in between your matrix, your mattresses, or in your cigar box, okay? Just $36 coming back to you. Small, but it's something that you're just earning. And I think you have to have at least $100 minimum to do a withdrawal, right?
Withdrawal, yes.
Yep. To do a withdrawal, you got to have at least $100 accumulated, because you can't withdraw $36. It's just not going to be anything, right? So at least be $100. So if you look at this, it extrapolates out 12%. You're going to earn basically your money back by week 8, week 9. And then you basically then double your money in about the end of 4th month. This is the month, 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, right? Some month may have 5 weeks, but just hypothetically, guys, you'll be able to double your money in about 4 months. 4 months, double your money. This is just on 12%. Not to say that it could go higher, because what I heard, the bot, they have an AI bot that they're trading along with the traders. They're actually trading, they're getting anywhere between 40% more per week with this profitable bot or system that they have. And they're actually just kind of, throttling that down for us to say, okay, it's going to be about 12%, but I think they can go more. Who knows? They may change that in the future, which I'm excited about, because they're just throttling it back right now. We're in pre-launch to see if, how consistent they are and how consistent this bot is that they've been in development for 8 to 9 months, that they said, right? So that's not bad, folks. If you think about it, you earn your money back in about 2 months. You got your seed money. To Chid's point, he said, always in these type of platforms, get your seed money out so you can be working on house money sooner rather than later.
But let's say, for instance, you reach to week 15 here, you have 540, you can upgrade. Now you're not paying, you can upgrade your money, because you can take your seed money out one and then upgrade to the 500 plan.
There you go. To Chid's point, guys, if you got, so what's the upgrade process? How do you upgrade?
You only pay the balance. You're not paying the full price.
There you go, guys. So in other words, if you guys want to go from 3 to 500, you don't pay a 500 to go to the next package. You just got to pay the difference between the 3 and 5. So basically, it's just $200.
Bucks, yes.
So if you came in at 300, and then they say in about 5 weeks, you earn 200. You can actually take that, withdraw that, boom, upgrade to 500.
Correct.
Right? That's pretty neat. So now this number actually goes to 500, and basically in 1 month, you're already upgrading to the next package, because you saw the payout, you saw the withdrawal, and you're like, well, I might as well go ahead and upgrade to $500, right? So that's pretty neat.
Very important. But when you make a withdrawal, for upgrade, you must withdraw. You cannot withdraw within the system. You have to pull your funds out first and then upgrade. You can't just upgrade to the platform, because like I said, when you withdraw, you have to pay the 20%.
Right. So you can't just roll it over and not avoid the withdrawal fee, right? So you guys are saying, well, I can avoid the withdrawal fee.
Which comes back to your downlines, come back to you as well.
Right. You got to sustain the platform, guys. You got to help a lot of people out, right? So this is what it's all about. If you're not into helping people, then I don't know what to say.
We're here to help you. We want to help you. Right. We're here to help you. That's why we're doing this. So, folks, I'm just saying, guys, it's just something, because you're already going to be a profit. You're still going to take out money. You'll take out your seed money as it is, and look at the profit you're going to be from there on.
Right. So,
money.
Right. So I'm going to go ahead and change it to 15%. You'll see these numbers changes, especially this number right here. Okay. Now at 15%, well, what is that? Well, 15% is the additional differences with the force matrix. So the force matrix kind of help normalize and increase the velocity of your payout, if you will, right? It makes your payout even faster, or your growth of your money, your return even faster, so you can grow your money faster and double it. So it's actually come to about $45 a week, and then you'll be able to basically earn that $200 because of the force matrix. If you get in and you get a lot of people under you with force matrix, you get a potential, right, of earning that $200 right away within 4 weeks. You can upgrade, or your $300 is in about 45 days, 6 weeks, right? And then you basically double your money in about 3.5 months, in about 3 months. You basically double your money. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I'll take that. So what would that look like? Okay, so I know you guys are probably thinking, well, what if I put 1,000?
Because you know why? It's hands-free. I'm not physically doing anything.
There you go. So here's the folks, guys. $1,000 will give you about $150, and this is with the 15%. With the, let's say, with the force matrix, you'll be able to withdraw in your first week. You can test it in your first week. and then you'll be able to earn your 1,000 in about 45 days. In about 6 to 7 weeks, you already got your 1,000 out. Boom, you're done. You got your money, you got your seed money out if you want to play that game and do it that way, which I encourage. We encourage you to do that. Pull that seed money out. Now you got it. And everything else is on house money. And if you want to upgrade, you can do that too. Right after you do that, upgrade it. Upgrade to the $2,000 package if you want. If not, continue on, and it will continue to double out. And we're talking about a little bit over 3 months. Depending on the force matrix, you could get that in about 3 months. Basically, double your money in about 3 months.
Correct, 3 months. But I something that I will personally do. I will continue going to the next plan, because I want to elevate this as much as I can, folks. You maximize the system.
Yep. So, folks, that's all, man. That's all we wanted to just give you guys a quick overview. This is week 0 Cash FX with Leonard and Chid to be able to share with you guys our review of week 0. We just got funded, and we will see what this look like by the end of the week. We're going to give you guys another video. Make sure you look out for it. If you can, click on the subscription button, subscribe to Chid and I's YouTube channel so that when it gets posted up, you guys are going to get a notification right away that week 1 video is posted. And you're going to want to check into to see how our account has progressed. And I'm going to try to do a withdrawal to see if I can do that before the video posted up to show you guys, hey, my withdrawal went through and this is how long it took and this is how it was. So I can give you guys that experience, right?
Folks, we're very excited about this. We're excited to share with you our results week in and week out. You will see that. So make sure you smash the notification bell as well. Like when I said subscribe, smash the notification bell. So when we upload this video, we'll be the first one to see them and look at them.
Yep. Other than that, folks, we're going to head and stop the video and see you guys later. I appreciate that. Thank you.
Have a good day, guys.
All right. Bye-bye, guys.